everybody, and welcome to my channel. Yes, you guys, I'm bringing you guys the Walgreens ad preview for June 28th through July 4th. Now right here it says the weekly ad is now online open. It does say we are pausing our printed ad. I don't know why they're pausing it. I don't know if it's because of everything that's going on in the world, but it just says it's pausing. So they could be bringing it back. They probably will be bringing it back because I have a feeling there's going to be a lot of people that are complaining. Because every time I go to the store, I always see the ads in the carts. So I bet you I know a lot of people do shop the ad and not many people use the app. So just giving you guys a heads up that it could come back. Now here we have the deals of the week, and it's going to be 4th of July on Sunday or Saturday. So you know what? We got to end that week with a bang. So they have the soda pop, whatever, that looks like this Coca-Cola and Pepsi products are 3 for $9.99. That comes out to be $3.33. As you guys can see right here, that's something you guys can clip to your card, but when you spend $25 or more, you'll get 5,000 points. Now that is after you need $25 before coupons, okay, you guys? So after Walgreens coupons, but before regular manufacturer coupons. So yes. Hawaiian Tropic and Banana Boat are buy one get one 50% off. There's going to be a digital coupon for 3 off of 2. Then if you spend $25, you'll get $8 in points. So if you guys need to stock up on sunscreen, they got Blue Diamond $5.99, and then there's $1 off for $4.99. The 7-Up products, this is actually a pretty good deal. I did not see this when I was doing my breakdowns for you guys, but these 7-Up products are actually going to be $2.66. That is an awesome stock up price in my opinion. Plus if you guys, use that, it's even better. They have the Kellogg's cereal for $1.88. Looks like we'll be getting a 50-cent off coupon. Looks like Pop-Tarts is included also, so there might be 2 different coupons, maybe. But it comes out to be $1.38. Plus, you guys can submit your receipts to Kellogg's Family Rewards to get some free books. I've already gotten 4 free books, you guys, just by buying 1 box of cereal times 4. You can also go to the Kellogg's Family Rewards website and print coupons. You can also use your points to buy printable coupons for a higher value off, but it's up to you guys what you need. Now they have Secret, Gillette, and Old Spice deodorant, 2 for $10. Now some of you guys might have a 4 off of 2 coupon still available. I do not have it. They might surprise us with some digitals, hopefully. But there is $1 off of 2 for Secret, and there's a 3 off of 3 for Old Spice. So what you guys want to do is the $1 off of 2 Secret. You guys would pay $9. You get that $4 register reward, making it just $5 or $2.50 a piece if you guys need to do that. I'm hoping some digitals pop up. Now Pantene is $3.99. There's going to be a 3 off of 3 digital coupon. You guys would end up paying $8.97. You get that $3 register reward, making it $5.97 or just $1.99 a piece. I did not do my math right. Yeah, $1.99. Okay, so then they have the Tide. There might be some printable coupons that you guys can print from the P&G website. Currently, my P&G website is down, but there might be some coupons. Some of you guys still might have some in your inserts. My area doesn't get them. But you guys want to buy 3 of them. You would pay $14.97. You get a $5 register reward when you buy 3. Comes out to be $9.97 or $3.32 a piece. So hopefully we can get some printable coupons or some digitals that pop up. Now, they have a deal going on with all the Nice brand, which is the Walgreens brand, and the Complete Home. They have a deal where if you spend $20, you'll get a $3 register reward. So there is a ton of things that you guys can mix and match for 20 bucks. Plus, if you spend the $25,000 or you spend $25, you guys would end up getting 5,000 points back plus that $3 register reward. So you can get some pretty decent deals with the Walgreens brand. So it looks like the apricots and the nuts are included. The pizza is included. Not much food deals. They do have some like Nabisco crackers for $2.99, and there's going to be a 75-cent off a 2 coupon. The Cheez-Its and Keebler Kellogg's products, those are $1.99. Those also count possibly for the the Kellogg's Family Rewards book that you guys can get. Then they have some condiments, buy one get one free. if you guys need some charcoal or lighter fluid, $5.99. Bug spray, they have a $1 off digital coupon. Then they have the 4th of July decorations and pool stuff. Nerf guns. I got a ton of Nerf stuff on clearance last year for 90% off, you guys, including that squirt. I paid like maybe $1 or something for that gun. So, yes. And then here is some more deals right here for if you guys spend $20 on participating products. You'll get a $3 register reward. So they have the garbage bags 2 for $10. I always wait till they have the buy one get one free, and they're usually $5.99. So if you guys need garbage bags, go for it. And then they have the bags buy one get 2 free. They're usually $2.79. They come out to be just 93 cents a piece if you guys need to do that. They do this deal like literally every other week. So I am not buying them for a while because I have so much bags. It's ridiculous. They got the, what is this? The Smile and Save plates, and then they have the Nice brand aluminum foil for 99 cents if you guys need to go ahead and do that. We use that aluminum foil. Now, you just add this to your cart. It does say a limit of 4, so I don't know if you can add it more than once if you guys need more than 4. I'm not sure, but if you guys need that. Now, they do have the Puffs tissues for $1.24. Not cheap enough. Nope, nope, nope. Now here's some products for $8. They come out to be just $2 a piece, which is actually a pretty decent deal. If you guys can get some digital coupons, go for it. But I mean, I think for Downy and the Unstoppables for $2 is a piece is a pretty good deal. So definitely go ahead and do that. Ajax, they're $1.99. It looks like we are getting $1 off of 2 coupons. So those could be, you know, $3 for that if you guys want to do that. They do have some gift cards if you guys need to do that, but nothing that really pops out at me. The Dove deodorant is buy one, get one 50% off. We are getting some Degree coupons. I'm not sure about the Dove, but the Degree we are. It just varies on what you guys want, and it varies on the prices of the deodorant. But when you guys buy 4, you get 4,000 points. The Garnier Fructis is 2 for $7. There's going to be a 4 off a 2 coupon, making them $1.50 a piece. The Whole Blends is going to be $1.99 after the digital coupon. The L'Oreal Elvive is 2 for $5. Nope, don't do that deal, you guys. Don't do that deal. Now, one thing I do want to share with you guys, like I said, we are going to not get a lot of toothpaste this month, or I think I said that in my coupons video. But it's a new month, so you guys want to make sure you guys get a new Walgreens booklet. But all the oral care is going to be buy 2, get the 3rd free. So we will probably not get toothpaste, mouthwash, all that stuff wasted. There might be a deal from time to time, but just giving you guys a heads up with that, that those are going to be on sale all month long until the 25th of July. So, yes, Walgreens, suntan lotion is also included in the spend 20, get the $3 register reward. We use that stuff and it works perfect. Now the Schick Razors, there's going to be a 7 off of 2. I'm hoping that there's some digital coupons or anything, but if I knew there were some coupons coming out or digital coupons, I could give you guys a scenario on this, but right now it's not. The Pampers Diapers are 2 for $20, and then it looks like if you buy 3, you get 6,000 points. I know a lot of people have been buying these diapers at like midnight online to get some points for that. They have the Depends Silhouette, and then it looks like the Depends pads and liners are going to be on sale for $5.99. There is a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, plus we're getting $3 off coupons in the inserts, making them just 99 cents. And you guys can submit those receipts to Fetch Rewards. And that is mostly all the medicines. Again, buy one, get one 50%, buy one, get one free. We get those all the time. The Dove body wash is the same deal as it was last week. The Dove body wash for women's were $7.49 and the men's were $6.99. They're going to be buy one, get one 50% off. We do have a buy one, get one free coupon, but it does take off up to $6. So you guys would just pay $4.98. You get that 1,000 points. Comes out to be just $3.98 or $1.99 if you guys want to go ahead and do that deal. Same deal as this week, so you guys need to get some more body wash. They have King candy bars, 2 for $3. And again, they keep telling you about those deals with the Walgreens. Spend 20, you get a $3 register reward. So that is what is coming out in our inserts. It's what's coming out on sale next week. I hope you guys have a nice day. Thanks for watching and see you guys all later. Bye-bye.